Yo guys, if you're stuck in this training mission and the game keeps saying jump over the terrain, trust me, I got confused too. You probably tried pressing space 100 times, holding jump, trying to climb this big door or wall, thinking it's supposed to open or something. But nope, that's actually not what the game wants you to do. And honestly, this happens because we're new to the game. The objective is kind of confusing at first, so don't waste your time trying to jump over this huge wall or waiting for the door to open. Just forget about this area completely. What you actually need to do is move to the side over here, and you'll see this small wall or barrier. I don't even know what it's called. Now simply press space and climb over this small obstacle. That's it. As soon as you cross it, you'll see the jump over the terrain mission gets checked instantly, and your training mode is completed. So yeah, the solution was super simple the whole time. You're probably sitting there like, bro, how stupid was that? Don't worry, same here.